Welcome, friends. Welcome to Kaizen Trader Social Robo Trading Strategy Demonstration. So, what is Kaizen? Kaizen is a Japanese word, and Kaizen is change for good. So, Kaizen stands for change for good. So, hope that with this social robo platform, you will change your trading pattern. You will convert your losses into the profits. Okay. So, let's start the presentation. So this is our presentation, Social Robo Trading Services by Kaizen Trading System. So what we are doing about us. So we are trading in like trading softwares, real-time data, social robo trading services. In this version, no emotional trading, full discipline trading. Having faith and patience, it will generate trading success. So recently we have introduced one social robo platform for our trading strategy, which we design in 4 month of lockdown period. Okay, so in this you can see that there is no indicator is plotted on chart, no oscillator is plotted on the chart, no volume is not there, nothing is there, only price action. So price is god. In Gujarati we are used to say bhav bhagwan che. Okay, so this price is god. In the same scenario, same sort of thought, we have designed this wonderful trading strategy. Okay, so for the social robo trading, we need not to have laptops, computers, need not to have AMI broker, need not to have other softwares, need not to have VPS or real-time data. It is a cost-efficient environment. Okay, no technical stuff required. Social trading is very easy with Kaizen trading system. This is the backtest report for the Nifty, including brokerage as a cost, and we have considered 4 paisa as a brokerage. So for 1 crore, we have considered 4,000 rupees. Okay, for 10 lakh, it is a 400 rupees. So for Nifty, we had considered almost 350 rupees for the per trade cost deduction into this. Okay, so if you go for this is a March month performance. So all like 15,000 we had started, we have ending capital 17,521, 68 total trades, 51 is 48 is winning trades, losing trade 51%. So you can monitor that the winning strike rate is lesser than the losing strike rate, but even if we are having a very good profitability. Okay, so the risk reward ratio is very important rather than the accuracy of the system. Okay, in this system the recovery factor stands for 3, so which is very good actually. Okay, so in March month you can see that we had almost earned 1,89,000 in Nifty. Okay, now this is April month. So in April month we have earned almost 34,000 rupees profit, 454 point profit. Okay, so May month you can see that we lose some money into the trading part. Okay, because the market went into the sideways. In sideways our strike rate is also going down, so you can monitor that only 26% of the trade is getting a winner side. Majority of the time market is in sideways zone. Okay, but you can monitor, even if the only 26% of the time we are in losing side, we had almost gained everything. So in loser side, 13,000 rupee, 1365 is the loss, but only just 17 trade has recovered 1,000 points. So you can understand the strength of this system. Now again the June came, and June we had made 74,000 rupees of profit. almost 1000 point we made on the Nifty side. Please remember, we have considered 0.4% as a cost. It means 4,000 rupees on a crore. It means one Nifty we had taken 350 rupees kind of the brokerage and all. So almost every cost we had considered into this. Okay, so June month we had made good money. Again, July is 10,000 rupees kind of the profit only, 125 points profit. Okay, and almost 10,000, 9,309 rupees. So put together everything, March, April, May, June, July. Only May month is a negative. Other than that, almost every month is having a positive result. All the trade is like 333 orders we had fired in this 5 months. Almost 60 trades we are getting, because this is intraday trading system. So almost every day 2 trade is came. Okay, 2,81,000 rupees is the profit, and almost we are making 56,000 rupees on an average, including a loss factor in. We are making somewhat of 56,000 rupees as a average monthly profit. So this is the performance of this. So if you want to know about the social robo trading system, you can call on this number. We are always available for you. Okay, so if you want to explore this, you can explore the price action strategy. Also, we are just selling it, but social trading services we are just giving on the Nifty with the services with the 28-minute chart. So thank you very much for watching this video. And if you want to know something about this strategy system, how it's gonna work, you can always call back us on this number. Thank you.